Okay, first grade. I am back to let you in on a little secret. Do you guys like secrets? I mean, I like fun secrets, like what I'm getting somebody for their birthday or surprise parties, secrets that are exciting, right? Well, I have a secret to share with you about the English language that I bet you didn't know. Did you know that in the English language, there are absolutely positively no words, not a single one, that ends with the letter V? Not one. Can you believe it? I can't. Not a single word that ends with the letter V by itself. And so I want you to look at some of these words I have on the board today. These are kind of our tricksters, right? All of these words in green. And we know tricksters are words that look like they follow the rules, but they really don't. But we know that the English language has no words that end with just a V. If you hear that V sound at the end of a word, there's always going to be a letter E there. Always. That's just how the English language works. Does it make any sense? Not really. Not to me. But this is how it works. So let me share some of these tricksters with you. I know we've looked at some of them already. Whoops, grabbed the wrong tool. Sooner or later, guys, I'm going to figure out this Jamboard. All right, let's take a look at this one. This is one of the first tricksters that we ran into. Do you guys remember this one? Let me take you back for a second. Oh, here we go. Look at this. Do you guys remember this very first trickster we ran into? Yeah, it's the word have. Let's say it together. Have. It looks like it follows the rule of the mysterious silent E, but it definitely doesn't, right? We don't hear a long sound here. We hear a short sound. But because the English language does not have any words that end in just a V, there has to be a silent E there too. So those tricksters, even though they look like they follow the rules, they don't. But the real reason they don't is because we have to stick that E at the end to make this word fit with the rest of our language. All right, take a look at the next word. This is the word. I bet you guys all know this one. Yeah, it's the word love. Love. I love phonics, don't you? Love. That's a great word. But you know what, guys? Doesn't it look like it follows the rule of silent E? Yeah, but that O, it's not saying its name. This is not love. It's love. That O is making an sound. So we know that we had to put the E at the end of this word to make it fit with the rest of our language, to make it look right. Just like in reading and in writing, words have to look right. And for this to look right, it has to have an E at the end. So that's another one of those tricksters. All right, I'm going to grab another trickster for you. This one can get super confusing. This is the word live. Let's read it together. Live. Yeah, we hear that V sound at the end, right? But in this word, the I is making the I sound. It's making its short sound. And we have an E on the end because that's how the English language works. We can't have a word with just a V at the end. Look at this next one. Take a look. Can you read this one? This one's a little bit trickier. Glove. Glove. What sound is that O making? Is it making its long sound? No, it's making its short sound. Glove. But we have to have that E on the end to make it fit with the rest of the English language. Now, we're going to write a word together. Hold on, let me rearrange these really quick. All right, well, they don't want to rearrange. That's okay. Let me grab a sticky. And we're going to write a word today. So I want you to think about if you were writing a letter to a friend and maybe they were kind of having a bad day. You know, maybe they were feeling kind of down and you wanted to write in this letter, I want to give you a hug. Give. Let's write that together. Okay, what do you hear first when you say give? Let's say it slowly. G. Yep, that's letter G. So I'm going to type that. Next sound. G. I. I. Yep, that's short I. I, like igloo. All right, what's the next sound? G. Iv. Yeah, we hear V, right? But take a look at this word. We may have written all the sounds, but does it look right? It does not look right. This is a trickster. We can't have a word that ends in V. So what do we have to put there to make it look right? Yep, you're exactly right. We have to put silent E to make the word give. All right. Boy, that was a very, very tricky rule that we have to learn and that we have to add to our case files. That, we've got some of these tricksters around, and that when we hear this V at the end of words, give, glove, live, love, we have to have an E because there's no word in the English language that ends with just a V. Crazy. Isn't phonics crazy? All right, guys, you have one more video today where we're going to play a little game, and I'll see you there.